Hey ladies, today I have a pattern yoga pants to review for you. It's a really nice slim design. I like it quite a bit. It even has this little inner pocket, which I'll discuss a little bit further in this video. But first, starting off with kind of the unboxing experience, which is very minimal, as you can imagine. Just comes in this kind of zipped plastic bag. The one I chose here is in the color Geometry Blue-Gray, so it's patterned, it's a kind of bluish gray color, but it does come in several other colors to choose from if you guys are interested in other colors or want to pick up more than one. But taking it out of the packaging, as with a lot of yoga pants or leggings, they have a kind of smell to them, so you probably want to put them through the wash at least once before you actually wear them. But just taking a look at the design, I really do like it quite a bit. It's high-waisted, so it is squat-proof, and even though it's a pretty thin material, it's not see-through. And it has, for this particular color design anyways, it has these very faint kind of markings, like geometry lines or whatnot, that makes it stand out a little bit more than just a plain legging. The material, as you can imagine, hugs very close to your skin and allows a full range of movement. I had no problems doing my normal stretches and some other calisthenic type exercises. Of course, this would be also great for yoga and for running, which I also did. Though something that kind of caught me off guard is how warm these leggings actually are. So they actually kept in quite a bit of body heat when I'm running. So it might not be the most ideal for running or doing high intensive cardio activities indoors. I can imagine these are pretty good for a nice cool weather run. And the material isn't as slick as other leggings, so they actually attract a bit of lint, as you can see here. It's not a huge deal, but it's just something I did notice compared to other leggings. And of course, it can be machine washed very easily, so it's not difficult to clean. Now, talking about this small little inner pocket, it's really not big and it's definitely not meant to hold a phone. As you can see, I'm demonstrating here with my iPhone SE first generation as well as my iPhone 11, neither of which look very comfortable when I put them in the waistband pocket. Instead, it's really meant to hold small things like, say, your house key when you go out for a run, or maybe a credit card or ID or something like that. Also, something to take note is that not every color variation actually has this little pocket, so just keep that in mind when you're choosing your color. But yeah, otherwise I really love the design and the feel of these yoga pants. They do run true to size, so if you're considering picking this up, do pick the one that you normally would pick.